We touched down in Gubbio, a pretty happy place, but the people were in danger and a wolf they had to face. Ow, ow, devouring their livestock, the sheep, the cows, and goats. All that's left of little Sally was her bloody winter coat. Ow, ow, he was ravaging the town, hunting them while they're in bed. He ate a shepherd, but the beast still wasn't fully fed. Ow, ow, the goose were shaken up. Was there nothing they could do? Francis was their only hope. They knew that this was true. Ow, ow, he went off to the cave to confront the rabid beast, but in his mind he knew he'd find a perfect path to peace. Ow, ow, the townspeople, they crave revenge, and the wolf set on a stake. But Francis wouldn't see him dead. No lives were they to take. He met the wolf, he asked for peace and a little time to speak. The wolf denied but then complied and told him of his needs. It was hunger that had caused the slayings, for he was left behind. Ow, ow, Francis sympathized and realized there was no monster here, just two sides of a story fighting purely out of fear. Ow, ow, so he proposed, feed the wolf and he'll protect your